Hello everyone, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G06 Power, and let me show you how to fix app crashing. So if your app stopped working for some unknown reason, there are several things that you can do about it. So the first one is to open your Play Store, then look for the app that you want to take care of, or smoothly go to updates from this panel and check if it's on this list or not. If it is, just update your app and then reopen it in the latest version. That would definitely help, and it should resolve your problem within a couple of seconds. As you can see, the update goes quite quickly, so within 1, sometimes 5 minutes, you will be able to use it again in this new version, and it should not stuck. If it doesn't work, just open the settings and go to apps. Now select your app, the one that you want to take care of from this app list. Let me open this one and just force stop. Tap on OK and then reopen this app. It should also help. If it still doesn't work, you can reset your device, perform a soft reset. To do it, just tap on power button along with volume down button, tap and hold. Keep holding for around 10 seconds. Once you feel a smooth vibration, you'll be in fast boot mode. And now, by using volume up and down buttons, you'll be able to navigate. So mark power off, and then to select it, tap on power button. And now just tap on power button and hold it for around 5 seconds. And now your phone would be rebooted. Then reopen this app and it should work. And just now unlock the device, draw an unlock pattern if you have one, and check if your app and the one that had some problems, had some issues, is working properly. If it still doesn't, there is one more thing that you can do. Just delete this particular app. Let me do it on this browser. Mark and hold, mark uninstall. So one more time. Uninstall. Let me go with we had problems. Mark whatever here actually, or skip to uninstall. Mark uninstall then, and click here to uninstall. One more time to confirm, and that's it. So it's no longer on your device. As you can see, it disappeared from home screen, also from the app list. And now just reinstall it. So just mark install and wait till it's done. Now open and check if it's working properly. So that's it. These are the steps that you can take to fix your app crashing. They should work. Most probably just restarting your device or forcing stop of your app and then reopen it should work. So that's it. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.